What are we doing today? We are doing boiled peanuts. It's a southern thing. Alrighty, we're going to be using our Instapot today, and just get these green. You need green peanuts, not raw. They're green. Nothing's been done to them but washed. This is about 2 pounds, which puts us right at the max line in here. And then we need about 1/3 of a cup of salt. I know that might sound like a lot, but when you're penetrating a hard shell like a peanut, that's not a lot. And then we like to add this Slap Ya Mama seasoning. Basically, it is just salt, which has more salt, so I'm going to put 1/3 in here. Red pepper, black pepper, and garlic. And I'll put about 1/3 of a cup of that in here. Now this does not make them spicy at all, but does give it a nice flavor. If you want to take it up a notch, I would add like red pepper flakes. But this is what we like, and then I'll fill the water, and it kind of washes the seasonings down into the water. You don't want your stuff going up past the 2/3 max line. Let me tell you, instead of boiling this for hours and hours on the stove, this is amazing. We're going to take her up to 45 minutes. And start. And that's how easy it is. We'll be back when they're done. Okay, it's been about 1 hour and 43 minutes since we started the whole pressure cook. And the knob has gone down, so we're going to take off our, look at these beautiful boiled peanuts. Hot. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect.